One person, his brain was not functioning. So they say to him, don't worry, there's a store, they sell brain. You can go, they'll match you a new brain. Say, really? Say, yeah. He comes to the store, he says, listen, my brain has all kinds of seizures, problems. I would like to replace my brain. He said, okay, you have a few different brains. You see, this one, $500,000. What's this? It's a brain of a math teacher. Okay, good, very good. What's this? It's a brain of 750,000. It's the better model. What's special about it? It's a brain of an Israeli F-16 pilot. Oh, very good. What's this? It's the diamond. It's the diamond of the store. What's this? $1 million brain. So what's special about it? He said it's a Kurdish brain. $1 million. I said, what's so special about it? He said it's brand new. It's never thought before.